Alright guys, so today we got this Yamaha 30 and just put it on a little tin boat here, and oil started coming out front of the carburetor. So today we're going to test the oil injection system and see if we should just delete it. We're going to go through the process. Alright, let's get on it. So we've already got the carbs off, opened them up, checked out the floats. See how clean they were in there, pretty clean. So the bottom cylinder is the one getting all the oil. Oh. It's really have a hard time turning. All right. So we're gonna hit it and see if the oil's coming out. What's going on here? And then this guy down here, that's your oil pump. So as you accelerate, oil increases, gets injected through the three little lines, around to the front, oil injection at each cylinder. So we're gonna pop this off. There'll be a shafted side, put that on a drill, spin it, see what oil's coming out of these lines and see what's going on. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get rid of the oil tank. All right guys, got the pump out here. A little challenging to get down in there and get those suckers out. This is what you want to remove out of there. This is your gear drive from inside the pump. You just push the shaft out, put that back in. You're ready to close it back up, start capping everything off. Oil delete. Yep. Then we're gonna take off our three oil lines. Then we're gonna cap off these ports. All three of those. We're gonna take these three lines off, cap those off, cap that one off, cap this top one off. Bolt it back up, and you're deleted. And when you're done, it should look something like that, all capped off. All your caps on your jets at your bottoms, all capped off. Pull these lines out, put this back on. And there we are, oil injection lines removed. All one piece, just in case you ever decide to use it again. And there we have it. I think this guy can hang upside down so it doesn't send the alarm off, or the light off, running out of oil. There's your float, right? See it moving there? So upside down like that, strap it to something. Should work. Not sure what this guy is. But anyway, there it is, all reinstalled, kept off, ready to throw the carbs back on, mix our fuel, fire this thing up, see how it runs then. Hey guys, now that we're going to be mixing our oils, get yourself one of these. Gives you all your ratios, your 50 to 1, 40 to 1, 100 to 1, all that on there. So simple, every time you fill it full of fuel, see how many liters you added, match it up. So once I do that, put that in the can. I'm going to take my fuel line, because that's full of raw fuel, and pop the end off, put it back in the tank, and pump until it all mixes. And you know, you see the blue fuel coming out. Then you're ready to put it to the motor. And you're going to pull that line off the carburetor, pump till you see gas coming back out through the filter in there. Then you know everything's purged. There's no raw fuel. It's all mixed. Let's get it done. There we go. I got 21 liters. 21 liters. 50 to 1, 20, 21 liters, 22 liters. Yeah, perfect mixture. Oh, almost took you guys out. All right, like I said, gonna mix it up now. Get oil through the line. Oh my gosh. Alright, have yourself a little catch cup. So, pump it through. That should suffice. Put the fuel line, back on your pump. Connect your clamp. Fill up your carbs. Turn on some water, see what you do. Alright, well, let's see what you do. We got her in the water. We got her in the water. Got a monster. Gonna test this sucker out. She's gonna work this time. I know it. Alright. Start the fire. Well, that sounds a heck of a lot better than it did. Let's let her warm up. You know, you got the old carbureted fuel or oil injector motors, just delete the damn thing. And you're guaranteed there's always going to have oil. It's never going to fail on you. As long as you got your mixed, you can't fail, you know? And it's a $0 fix besides a couple of nipples. That costs a little bit of something, but I mean, it's nothing to complain about.
Yeah, it doesn't even smoke that much.
I'm going to buy a two-stroke, guys. I'm not joking. I mean, it's not. Oh. Well, might need a good run. Alright, guys, so far, so good. Try to turn up the idle a little bit. That's all. Idle's down. Little tinkering, little adjusting. Let's see what she do out here. I mean, it sounds like she wants to go. She's got that little 2-stroke stumble going on. Doesn't smoke. Well, she's getting her oil. It's gonna be good. Got the finder on. Our speed. Although my transducer is just kind of a U-shaped piece of wood that I put on there. Probably is gonna come off. We'll see. All right, we're getting out to the breakwater here. Water break. See what she'll do. See if she'll get some speed to her. Hopefully. That should hopefully solve our problem. See what she do. Will she hold? Cavitation of the leg. Okay, well. Should push better. Take the blade off, lower it down a little bit. I thought it might have been a bit high. Maybe actually if I drop it down off the pin. Let's try that. Well, good news is motor wants to give her. Bad news is gotta drop the motor. It's too high on the transom. Cavitating. But she wants to go. So, let's go do that. Slight modification, guys. Slight modification. All right, guys. She's sitting in the notch now. And this bottom fin is in line with the boat. Let's see if that did the trick. All right, guys. 3-inch drop in the transom. See if she makes a difference.